Hey buddies! Ever heard of the peach? That one fruit that's basically the king of summer vibes and even became the official emoji for anything juicy, sweet, and a little flirty. Yeah, you know exactly which one. Soft fuzz on the outside, dripping sweet nectar on the inside, and guaranteed to run down your chin the second you bite in. Peaches aren't just delicious. They're a whole mood. They scream sunshine, porch swings, sweet tea, and that easygoing feeling we chase all year long. But here's something wild. Every single year, American farmers somehow manage to pick, pack, and ship around 650,000 tons of these heavenly orbs. That's a mind-blowing amount of fruit. So let's hop in and follow the journey of the peach, from the trees to your grocery store, and see why it matters so much to the U.S. economy, culture, and our summer happiness. A quick love letter to the peach. These beauties started their world tour in China more than 2,000 years ago and slowly charmed their way across the planet. They belong to the stone fruit squad, hard pit in the middle, soft heart once you crack through. Basically every cool friend we know. You've got clingstones, freestones, white-fleshed, golden-fleshed, the whole rainbow. Some taste like pure candy, others have a floral tang. They're loaded with vitamins A and C, practically 0 calories, and plenty of fiber. Translation: the ultimate. I'm being healthy but it feels naughty. Snack, grill 'em, bake 'em, can 'em, or just snatch one straight off the branch. Peaches do it all. Summer hits, and suddenly they're the star of the show. Picking time, Operation 650,000 tons. When the peaches blush just right, it's go time. Pick too soon and they taste like cardboard. Wait too long and you've got peach soup. Farmers rely on years of know-how, plus a bit of magic, to nail the perfect moment, checking color, giving a gentle squeeze, and sniffing for that heavenly perfume floating through the rows. Even with all our fancy tech, almost every single peach in America is still picked by hand. Why? Because peaches bruise if you so much as look at them wrong, and machines haven't learned the art of tenderness yet. Crews roll out at dawn to beat the heat, buckets swinging, twisting each fruit off the branch like they're defusing tiny bombs. One wrong move and splat, there goes a perfect peach. It's tough, sweaty, skillful work. The people doing it, local crews and seasonal pros alike, are absolute legends. Every single peach that lands in your fruit bowl got there because someone treated it like glass. As they pick, they sort on the spot. Anything with a bruise, bug bite, or weird spot gets pulled. Those ugly peaches don't go to waste, they become jam, baby food, or pie filling. 0 waste, total respect. Pro tips so you don't turn peach picking into a comedy special: treat them like they're made of soap bubbles. One squeeze too hard and boom, instant bruise. Gloves are your friend. Branches are scratchy and peaches are slippery. Ladders plus flip-flops equals ER visit. Watch your step. Bees love ripe peaches more than you do. Move slow, stay calm. Overripe ones explode in your hand like water balloons filled with jelly. Fun, but messy. Hat plus sunscreen equals mandatory. Lobster red skin is not a good look with peach juice running down your arms. Follow those rules and your day in the orchard will be pure magic. From tree to factory, the next chapter. Once the buckets are full, trucks roll in. Speed is everything. Peaches wait for no one. At the packing house, they get the royal treatment, a gentle bath to wash off dirt and fuzz. Yes, peaches go to the spa. Giant cameras and sensors play quality control, but humans still have the final say. Then they're chilled way down in cold rooms so they don't ripen too fast on the journey to you. Conveyor belts zip them through washing, sorting, and packing way faster than any human could, and with barely a bump or bruise. High-tech optical sorters spot tiny flaws in milliseconds, making sure only the prettiest, or perfectly tasty but slightly quirky ones make the cut. All this tech means less heavy lifting for workers, lower costs, and peaches that actually look and taste amazing when they hit the shelf. After that, the peaches split up like they're catching different flights. Some head straight to grocery stores sparkling fresh, others get sliced and canned, frozen, or turned into something even sweeter, and that, friends, is how the peach keeps rolling from orchard to your plate. 650,000 tons of summer, one careful hand at a time. The first one is the fresh market peaches. These are the cream of the crop, literally. They're carefully packed into crates or boxes designed to protect them during transportation. Packaging often includes cushioning materials to prevent bruising. Then we have processing peaches. Peaches destined for canning, freezing, or making into products like jams and juices undergo additional processing. They might be peeled, pitted, sliced, or pureed, depending on their end use. Canned peaches are a delightful way to savor the sweet and juicy flavor of peaches all year round. By capturing the fruit at its peak ripeness, canning preserves the natural sweetness and tender texture that fresh peaches are celebrated for. The process involves peeling and slicing the peaches before immersing them in a light syrup or their own juices, which helps to maintain their vibrant color and enhances their inherent taste. The versatility of canned peaches makes them a pantry staple. They are ready to eat straight from the can, making them a convenient snack. In the culinary world, they shine in desserts like peach cobblers, pies, and parfaits, adding a burst of flavor without the prep work required for fresh fruit. Additionally, they can be incorporated into savory dishes, think glazed pork with peach sauce, or tossed into salads for a hint of sweetness. Conclusion: a peachy perspective from the meticulous care in the orchards to the intricate processes in the factories. Harvesting 650,000 tons of peaches is no small feat. It's a testament to the hard work and dedication of American farmers, workers, and everyone involved in the journey from tree to table. Peaches enrich our economy, adding millions of dollars and supporting thousands of jobs. They enhance our culture, symbolizing hospitality, warmth, and the simple joys of life. In our daily lives, they offer not just nutrition but also moments of indulgence and comfort. So next time you savor a juicy peach, remember the incredible journey it took to get to you. Appreciate the hands that picked it, the care that preserved it, and the rich tapestry of economic and cultural threads woven into that single delicious bite. After all, life's just peachy when you stop to enjoy it. Worry about the peaches? Hope you'll enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified when our exciting videos go live. Goodbye. Peach.